Hello, my dear gardeners and all lovers of homemade food. Today I bring you one of the most powerful natural supplements for tomatoes, which not only strengthens plants, but also protects against diseases, stimulates flowering and brings abundant harvest. But before I reveal this miraculous mixture, let's stop for a moment and ask ourselves, why is it important to grow tomatoes organically? Nowadays, when fruits and vegetables are increasingly treated with chemicals, organic farming is becoming not only a recommendation but also a necessity. Our soil remembers every chemical we give it, and plants reciprocate in kind. That's why it's important that what we put into our bodies is clean, natural and nutritious. Natural supplements preserve the quality of the soil, help beneficial microorganisms, and allow plants to develop resistance to pests on their own. Write to me in the comments, do you grow tomatoes in the garden or on the terrace? And how do you feed them? Maybe some of you are already using this method of mine, so it will be interesting to compare the results. If you like these tips, and if my recipes for strengthening plants are important to you, click on the like button. And of course, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. That way you will always be up to date with new tricks from the garden. And now what you have been waiting for, the best natural feeding for tomatoes, completely without chemicals. For this powerful mixture you will need 1 liter of plain yogurt. It is full of calcium and beneficial bacteria that improve soil health. 10 liters of water, preferably stale or rainwater. All you have to do is mix the yogurt with water and water the soil around the plant once a week in the late evening. This mixture strengthens the plant's immunity, prevents rot and fungal diseases, and gives the tomatoes the firmness and juiciness that only homegrown fruit has. Try this recipe and you will see how your tomatoes thrive like never before. Nature knows best, she just needs a little help. So be sure to send this video to all your friends on social networks. Thank you.